An academic dismissal appeal letter can become one of the most important documents in your academic career, because if your appeal is not written properly, clearly explained, and supported with strong evidence, your dismissal may remain permanent. This could delay your graduation, affect scholarship eligibility, interrupt transfer opportunities, create financial setbacks, and in some cases, impact future career or immigration opportunities tied to your student status. Universities carefully review dismissal appeals to determine whether a student genuinely understands the seriousness of their academic performance and has taken meaningful steps to improve. That is why this letter must honestly explain the circumstances behind the academic difficulties, demonstrate accountability, and present a realistic plan for future success. So here is how to write it. Sender information. This is the first part of the letter where you identify yourself. For example, Ashley Morgan, 4821 Brookside Avenue, Chicago, Illinois 60614. ashley.morgan@email.com, 312-55-54187. This section establishes who is submitting the appeal. Make sure your personal information matches your university records exactly. Date, for example, May 22, 2026. After your contact information, include the date the appeal is written. This is important because appeal deadlines are usually strict in academic dismissal cases. Submit your appeal as early as possible before the official deadline. Recipient information. This section identifies the academic office reviewing your appeal. For example, Academic Appeals Committee, Greenwood State University, Office of Academic Affairs, 100 University Plaza, Chicago, Illinois 60611. This ensures your appeal reaches the correct department. Verify the correct committee or office name before submitting your letter. Subject line. The subject line clearly identifies the purpose of the appeal. For example, subject, Appeal of Academic Dismissal Decision. This immediately informs the committee about the nature of the letter. Keep the subject line professional and direct. Salutation. This is your formal greeting to the committee. For example, Dear members of the Academic Appeals Committee. This maintains professionalism and respect. Use formal academic language throughout the letter. Opening paragraph. In this paragraph, you formally state your appeal request. For example, I am writing to formally appeal my academic dismissal from Greenwood State University following the spring 2026 academic term. This immediately establishes the purpose of your letter. For tip, be direct and respectful from the beginning. Acknowledgement of academic performance. Here, you acknowledge responsibility for your academic record. For example, I fully acknowledge the academic performance that resulted in this decision and take responsibility for the deficiencies reflected in my academic record. This is one of the most important parts of the appeal because universities want to see accountability. For tip, avoid blaming professors, classmates, or the institution. Explanation of circumstances. This section explains the circumstances that affected your academic performance. For example, during the spring 2026 semester, I experienced significant medical and family-related challenges that affected my ability to attend classes regularly, complete assignments on time, and maintain my academic performance. This provides important context behind your academic difficulties. For tip, be honest, factual, and specific without exaggerating. Personal reflection paragraph. Here, you acknowledge mistakes and reflect on what happened. For example, at the time, I did not effectively manage these challenges and acknowledge that I should have sought academic and personal support sooner. This demonstrates maturity and self-awareness. For tip, admissions committees appreciate students who take responsibility and show personal growth. Corrective actions paragraph. This section explains what steps you have taken to improve the situation. For example, since receiving the dismissal notice, I have begun counseling, reduced my work hours, attended academic advising sessions, and developed improved time management strategies. This shows that you are actively addressing the issues. For tip, include measurable and realistic corrective actions whenever possible. Academic improvement plan. This is where you explain your plan for future academic success. For example, if reinstated, I am fully prepared to attend tutoring sessions regularly, maintain scheduled advisor meetings, reduce my course load, and improve my class attendance. This demonstrates commitment and preparedness. For tip, a detailed improvement plan can significantly strengthen your appeal. Commitment to education paragraph. Here, you explain why continuing your education is important. For example, my education at Greenwood State University remains extremely important to me, and I remain committed to completing my degree in business administration. This reinforces your seriousness and long-term goals. For tip, clearly explain your educational commitment and future objectives. Supporting documents section. This section lists the evidence supporting your appeal. For example, attached to this appeal are supporting documents, including medical documentation, counseling records, academic improvement plan, financial hardship documentation. Supporting evidence is extremely important in academic appeals. For tip, organize your documents clearly and ensure they directly support your explanation. Closing paragraph. This is your final request before ending the letter. For example, thank you for your time, understanding, and consideration of my appeal. I sincerely hope to be granted the opportunity to continue my education at Greenwood State University. This keeps the tone respectful and professional. For tip, stay respectful and avoid demanding language. Sincerely and student information. For example, sincerely Ashley Morgan. Student ID 202645871. Program or major, business administration. Semester or academic year, spring 2026. This officially concludes the appeal and helps identify your academic records. Double-check all student identification details before submission. Before we wrap up, here are some very important overall tips you should always remember when writing an academic dismissal appeal letter. Always be honest, accountable, and professional. Clearly explain the circumstances that affected your performance, provide strong supporting documentation, and focus heavily on the corrective actions you have already taken. Most importantly, show the university that you have a realistic and structured plan to succeed academically if given another opportunity. So that's how you write an academic dismissal appeal letter step by step. As you can see, every part of this letter plays a major role in explaining your situation, demonstrating personal growth, and requesting another opportunity to continue your education. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next video.